All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Guys, this consolidation pattern may finally be winding down. Now, on Friday, I hinted that we may see a breakout soon, and it's starting to look more and more likely, especially as I look at some of these charts that I'm going to be showing you guys very soon. You know, of course, the two questions on everybody's minds are, when will this, breakout happen, and will it be to the upside or to the downside? So let's see if we can get into some of that today. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. So let's start here with the ETFs and have a look at what traders are eyeing. So true to form, here we have GLD, GLD here has been experiencing less and less volume over time. As this consolidation period continues, or I should say, it's beginning to wane a little bit. The Bollinger bands are showing a tightening as well, as you can see here in the upper and lower band, experiencing some tightening there. And the GLD price is above the middle band. In fact, it's been slowly moving up these past couple of days, crossing over that middle band. The RSI has remained somewhat muted there, and the MACD has actually started to trend a little bit lower, but looks ready for the near term average to swap places with the longer term, and the histogram kind of edges up there a little bit. Here we also have SLV. SLV is behaving similarly with GLD, of course, but I noticed that SLV, the price is almost stuck in lockstep with the middle band of the Bollinger bands. So that's pretty interesting. But let's take a look at a closer look at the gold and silver spot action. So here, as you guys can see, we have gold, and the pattern is definitely tightening up with the troughs very, very slightly edging up a little bit. The peaks have trended lower, and let's take a look at silver. For silver, again, looks very similar to gold as the tightening is concerned. Now, guys, before we continue, here's pretty much what I'm seeing. We'll likely wrap up this consolidation sometime this week, or I should say next week. We'll probably wrap up this consolidation. We're almost through with it, and soon we'll get a breakout. The price action is moving so tightly that I just really can't see it lasting too much longer. Now, will it go up or down? Will it be a breakout to the upside or downside? Now, from what I'm seeing, it could go either way. It's really tough to tell right now, especially given the overall environment from what we're seeing. But the ultimate long-term direction, as I mentioned before on this channel, is going to be up. So that's why my overall strategy hasn't changed. I'm still stacking gold and silver during this time, because in a consolidation period, I think it's a really good idea. And even if it breaks down, I'm still going to continue stacking gold and silver, because I know it's eventually going to come back up. Now, if out of this consolidation period we go up, then hey, I took advantage of this consolidation period. So overall, it's a matter of patience. Now, for those of you who are trading paper, obviously you guys are a little bit more stretched, especially if you're doing derivatives and stuff, or trading options. That is very time sensitive. So I understand why some can feel a little bit more concerned about where things are going. I personally don't like doing that when it comes to gold and silver, just because I think gold and silver is better looked at as, a long-term savings play, being that it's money, but that's just me. But thanks again, guys, for checking out this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion.